Let's start with the first topic, that is the decimal number systems. Decimal number system itself says that deci means the base 10. Okay, the deci stands for 10, hence we have the decimal number which is having its base as 10. Now the decimal numbers, as I have previously told, they have they are the numbers which are practically used in the day-to-day life, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, each place value in a decimal number is a power of 10. Hence we write the decimal number in bracket with the base 10. How can we demonstrate the example of decimal number, or to find out the number system which is having its base? Let's say, for example, first example is of 401. How can we find out the value? So okay, the first example is 401. As we can see, 401 is having 3 bits. The extreme leftmost bit 4 is called MSB, that is the most significant bit, and the extreme rightmost bit 1 is called LSB, that is the least significant bit. To find out the value of 401, what we have to do here is we have to multiply 1 into 10. Now why we are multiplying with 10? It's because since it's a decimal number, so we have to multiply each bit with 10 to the power of its position. Now how can we identify the position of the bits? We can consider the bit 1, this one. This is called as the LSB, the least significant bit. We consider its position as the 0th position. The 0, which is to the extreme left of 1, we consider its position as first position, and this 4, we consider its position as the second position. So for this one, we'll multiply with 0, 10 raised to 0. Since it's a 0 position, so we have to do it with 1 into 10 raised to 0 plus 0 into 10 raised to 1, since its position is first, plus 4 into 10 raised to 2, since its position is second. That's why we have this 2. Similarly, for this one, we have 0 into 10 raised to 1 because this 0 is in the first position. And for 1 into 10 raised to 0, we are multiplying with 10 raised to 0 because 1 into 10 raised to 0, the only reason is 1 is in the 0th position. Okay, hence after addition of all these bits, we give it as 400 plus 1, which gives 401. Let's take the next example of 130. Okay, 0, the extreme right bit is LSB and its position is 0. 3, it is having its position as 1, and 1, it is having its position as 2. Hence the 130 value can be written as 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to 1 plus 0 into 10 raised to 0. So the addition gives 100 plus 30 is equal to 130. Similarly is the example of this 9786. Ninth, let's start from rightmost bit. 6th, the position is 0th position. 8th is having its position as first position. 7th is second, and 9th is third. Therefore we keep on multiplying this by 6 into 10 raised to 0 plus 8 into 10 raised to 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to 3. Hence after the addition we get it as 9786. The binary numbers. What are the binary numbers? The by itself stands 2. Okay, the binary numbers always have the base 2. Like how the decimal numbers had the base 10, similarly the binary numbers will be having its base 2. These binary numbers are not represented in terms of ordinary numbers. They have only 2 bits, that is 0 and 1. Okay, here we multiply each bit with the power of 2 with respect to its position, the same way what we did for 10. Also the binary numbers are often used in practical examples like say switches. switch is on, that is we consider it as logic 1, and when the switch is off we consider it as logic 0. Okay, as I told you, switch is on, that is logic 1, and switch is off, that is logic 0. So the representation of binary numbers, we can represent binary numbers by each position represents a power of 2. Okay, let's take the example of 101. This one, starting with right, will be moving from right to left. The rightmost bit is LSB, least significant bit, and the leftmost bit is MSB, that is most significant bit. Starting from left, this first bit is having its position 0, this is having its position 1, and this is having its position 2. So we'll be doing the multiplication and representation as 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2. The same is written here, and addition gives 101. This is the number. So the decimal equivalent of 101 is 4 plus 1 5, which can be found out from this calculation. 2 square into 1, which gives 4, plus 0 into 2 raised to 1, which gives 0, plus 1 into 2 raised to 0, which gives 5. Next example is 110. This 0, the LSB bit, will be multiplying it by 0 into 2 raised to 0, this one by 1 into 2 raised to 1, and this one, the MSB bit, by 1 into 2 square. Hence the addition of this number, it gives 4 plus 2 6.